Hello, everyone. Thank you for coming to TDC Corporation's 8th web exhibition. Today's theme is every material that we have experience of polishing. We take record of the roughness with every item that we mirror polish. I will explain in the order of metal, resin, ceramic, glass, semiconductor material, plating. Please enjoy. First material is metal. We have 118 different types of metal polishing experience. Let's start with the first page. The first section is cast iron, tool steel, die steel, and carbon steel. The iron, Fe and F50C, has the best roughness in this section. The Ra is about 0.5 nanometers, and Rz is about 3 nanometers. The list on the right are stainless steel materials. We have polished 15 types of stainless steels. The best Ra is 0.3 nanometers, and Rz about 1.95 nanometers from the material stainless steel 304. In the second page of metal, we have plastic mold steel. The best roughness in this section is HPM 38. The roughness is Ra 0.3 nanometers and Rz 1.99 nanometers. The next section on the right page is copper, and from this section, pure copper has the best roughness. Ra is 2.9 and Rz is 1.2 nanometers. The next section is aluminum. Pure aluminum also has the best roughness, and it is Ra 0.2 nanometers and Rz 1.6 nanometers. I have a sample of the item Alumina 5052. This surface is before lapping. It has lots of scratches. This surface is after lapping. Roughness is Ra 0.4 nanometers and Rz 3.5 nanometers. Isn't it shiny and beautiful? Let's move on the third page of metal. SUJ2 has the best roughness in this section. Ra is 0.5 nanometers and Rz 3.4 nanometers. Material SKH in the bottom has the roughness of Ra 0.4 nanometers and Rz 3.4 nanometers. Next is the fourth page of metal. Metallic glass has the best roughness in this section. The roughness is Ra 0.28 nanometers and Rz is 1.8 nanometers. Tantalum also has a great roughness. Ra 0.25 nanometers and Rz 1.87 nanometers. Fifth page of metal. This is the last page from metal materials. The material spron, which is an alloy of cobalt and nickel, has a good roughness. Ra is 0.26 nanometers and Rz 1.1 nanometers. The next material we will introduce is resin. The material acrylic has the best roughness. Ra 0.9 nanometers and Rz 7 nanometers. Also, a material called polymer monolith has a great roughness of Ra 0.05 nanometers. I have a sample of the material named PEAK. This surface is before lapping, and the back surface is polished down to Ra 2.39 nanometers, Rz 17.4 nanometers. You can see the difference quite clear. Let's move on to the material ceramics. We have polished 28 types of ceramics, such as typical alumina, ruby, and other ceramics. The best roughness here is SiC, Ra 0.4 nanometers and Rz 2 nanometers. This SiC stands for silicon carbide. I have a sample of zirconia, so let's take a look. Sorry for my cell phone in the way. This surface is before polishing, the surface that the material itself has. This surface is after polishing. It looks shinier than before. Roughness is Ra 0.4 nanometers and Rz 2 nanometers. Next material is glass. We have 6 types of glass polishing experience. The item with the best roughness is quartz glass. Roughness is about Ra 3 nanometers and Rz 2 nanometers. This is the list of semiconductor items, and we have polished 19 materials. Single crystal SiC has the best roughness, which is Ra 0.07 nanometers. Also, silicon has a good roughness, Ra 0.16 nanometers and Rz 1.16 nanometers. We can achieve Ra 0.38 and Rz 2 nanometers with diamonds. This diamond was also single crystal. Let's see a sample now. This is a sample of sapphire. It is not flat like the other samples. It has a convex shape like this. We have polished both surfaces, so we can see through it so clearly. Ra is 0.4 nanometers, Rz 2.9 nanometers. The last list is plating items. We have 12 items on this list. Chrome plating item has the best roughness. Nickel and copper plating also has good roughness. And the roughness is about Ra 0.2 nanometers and Rz between 1.7 to 1.9 nanometers. We use our measurement tools in-house. All of the data I explained about today was measured by this non-contact optical 3D profiler, CCI Sunstar from Taylor Hobson. We also have NewView 9000 from Zigo, and sometimes we use this tool for measuring roughness. Also, there is an AFM from Bruker that can be used for checking roughnesses. If you are interested in TDC's polishing technology, please visit our website. We also have a page with all the roughness data I have explained today. Thank you for watching TDC's web exhibition to the end. I hope you enjoyed. See you at the next exhibition again.